Hey guys, so today I created this really easy back to school, everyday work eye makeup look. I did use the Soft Glam palette for this look, but I do show you other palette options in this video. I know there are a lot of back to school makeup videos out there and usually people focus on the whole face, but I like to just focus on the eyes. So this is a really easy everyday eye makeup look that's perfect for school. This is something that I wear when I go to school and you just feel put together and pretty and ready to go. So if you want to see how I got this super easy look, go ahead and keep on watching. I'm going to start with doing my brows on camera. I don't always show this on camera just because it's kind of boring, but I figured I'd show you how I do my brows for school. I did just upload a new brow routine on my channel using the Benefit Brow product, so if you want to see that, I'll link that up above for you. In that video I do go more in depth, so if you want to learn more, go ahead and watch that video. I'm using new Morphe Micro Brow Pencil. I just got this in PR the other day, so I've been trying it out, and it just has a fine little tip like the pencil I usually use from Benefit. I'm using the shade Java, and it's just like a dark brown color. I don't remember the exact launch date of the brow products, but I know it's sometime this month, so don't worry. So I always just focus on the bottom part of my brow first, and then I always go back to the spoolie and I blend after like everything I do. I'm gonna do a little bit on the tail. I also have this Morphe highlighting stick, so I'm gonna try this. It's a really pretty color. I'm going to take a little bit of concealer too and just lightly clean up under my brow. And I'm going to try this Morphe Brow Setting Gel as well. Alright, not too bad. I do like a more bushy brow, so that's just my personal preferences. Let's move into eyeshadow. I'm going to go into the Anastasia Soft Glam eyeshadow palette. I do have a tutorial that I did last year for a back to school look using the Jaclyn Hill palette, so if you want to see that, I'll link that up above for you. But if you don't have this palette, you could use the Jaclyn Hill palette that has pretty similar shades. You could also use the Dominique Cosmetics Latte palette. This one has some nice neutrals in it as well and some pretty shimmers. Or also the ColourPop X Kathleen Lights Dream Street palette that has the nice neutrals in it as well, again with some shimmers. So I just wanted to show you a few different options instead of using this $40 palette. I'm going to take Orange Soda on a Sigma E35, and that's going to go in my crease. And then I'm going to go into Burnt Orange, and I'm going to do the same exact thing, but I'm going to focus it a little bit more on the outer part of my eye. I'm just doing little circular motions here. Just taking a little bit more burnt orange and adding more to my outer corner. Now I'm going to take a pencil brush. This is a Sigma E30 with both of the shades on it, and I'm going to run that along my lower lash line. You want to make sure to connect the shades from your lid and your lower lash line right out here in the outer corner. Now if you wanted, you could totally stop here, add some lashes and call it good. This just kind of gives the eye some definition, but I'm going to go a little bit darker. So I'm going to take Rustic on my pencil brush. I'm going to add that right in my outer corner here. Then I'm going to go back to my fluffy brush and just really blend out this shade. Then I'm going to take a little bit more burnt orange on the brush and just add that to the outer corner. Then I'm going to take a little bit of the Rustic shade and add that to the outer part of my lower lash line. And again, connecting the shade in my outer corner. Now I'm going to add a little bit of eyeliner using a dark eyeshadow. So I'm going to take Cypress Umber on a Sigma E75, which is just an angled brush. And I'm just going to run that along my lash line. You just want to keep it really nice and close to your lash line. Now if you wanted, you could use a black eyeshadow or a black pencil eyeliner or a felt tip liner. Do whatever you want to do. Now I'm going to take Tempera on a Sigma L04, and I'm going to use that to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. Now I'm going to pop on some mascara, and I'm going to show you how it looks with just mascara, and then I will add some natural looking lashes and I'll show you that as well. So I will be right back. So for my mascara, I use the Hourglass Caution Mascara. I've really been liking this mascara. I know it's expensive, but it's pretty freaking good. Now I'm going to pop on some natural looking lashes and I'll show you how that looks as well. So for lashes, I use House of Lashes Demure Light. Any of the light styles from House of Lashes are perfect for school or just everyday wear. They're so beautiful and fluffy, but they're not like overly powerful, you know? So here's the final look. This look is so easy to do. It looks good on anyone, any eye shape, any eye color. It will totally work for you. You can make this look as soft as you want, or you can glam it up even more by putting maybe like a shimmery shade on the lid, or even adding black in the outer corner as well. It's totally up to you and what you're comfortable with. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.